Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for the morning of November 3rd. We just recently did get the October unemployment number out this morning. We did see a little bit of a miss on the headline number. 261,000 jobs created in October versus an expected 310,000. We did see wages slip as well a little bit, 2.4% from an expected 2.7%. However, we did see a downtick in the unemployment rate, and that's largely because the workforce is shrinking. So on the surface here, not a very good number. They did revise September. They revised the September number higher, so that is something to kind of take note of. Right now, the U.S. dollar's fairly muted reaction. The cash market's at 94.70, flat, up 2 ticks right now. The euro's trading 116.70, down 19. We still know that the Fed is going to raise, as far as we know, as far as the Fed funds futures are pricing in, the Fed is set to raise interest rates in December. Right now they're pricing in about a 90% chance that we do get a quarter-point bump in D. So we're watching that very closely. I've got topside resistance in the U.S. dollar up around 95.20 and support down along 94. So that's probably the immediate term range that you want to manage when you're trading the currencies. Looking at the British pound got hammered yesterday from top to bottom. It was down over 259 points. We did see the Bank of England, they did raise interest rates. However, they did what we call a dovish rate hike. They raised interest rates a 1/4 percentage point. However, they've forecasted that this is a one-off event and that this is not the beginning of a series of interest rate hikes. So British pound didn't like that. However, interesting enough, we did hold long-term support. The low in the pound yesterday was 130.53. I've got a support bar of 130.48, which is the old October swing low. So interesting. We're going to watch that level very carefully. Lastly, I'm going to hit on the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen seems to be on some longer-term support. However, it's having a hard time picking a direction at the moment. The immediate-term trend is still down. We're trading 87.90. We are up slightly versus the U.S. dollar. I do have longer-term support at 87.50. So you really want to watch that 87.50 mark. If we close below there, it looks like we could extend lower on the Japanese yen. However, if we can stay above 87.50, I'd say for the next week that we could be seeing the beginning of a turn, a bullish turn in the Japanese yen. So keep that in mind. That's all I have for you. Feel free to reach out to me at the trade desk. We'll be around all day. Thanks.